at the lights. You see them blinking?
Yeah, what the hell? What is that? Is that like ovnis or something?
Lights. You see them blinking?
Yeah, what the hell? What is that? Is that like ovnis or something?
Fucking no. What
What
the fuck?
the what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Are you like getting attacked or something? It's the enemy, bro.
This is some Attack on Titans bullshit, bro.
You see like a giant
I
like
can't see anything though. I
being
cannot
just
see the road.
walking.
I would not be surprised if I got kidnapped.
How did you end up here again?
I got lost. I took a wrong exit.
Stupid. I'm not gonna.
Lights.
Yeah, there's lights now.
It's civilization, bro. You made it.
Yeah.
It was a good decision to follow the guy.
It was. The Waze is telling me to take a left. Look at this. So the Waze is telling me to take a left, Jose. But the left is sand. Like I have to go on top of a mountain. Oh, there is a left. Sorry, I'm stupid. There is a left.
Yo, what's up, guys? Host of Vlogs. Here with Gus.
Yes, sir. What's up to the vlog? We're at Canada's Wonderland right now. I'm taking my boy for a nice little adventure in my hometown, my home city. You feel me? Canada's Wonderland is probably one of the best amusement parks in the world. Better than Portaventura. That place is booty cheeks, bro.
Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Like, look at that. This is called the Leviathan.
Look at that. Look at that
this
chop.
shit.
Look at that chop right there. Shoulder drop. Beautiful.
The battery is only at 46% because the GoPro battery is malfunctioning. So I'm gonna try to record as much as I can with the battery I have left. The tickets?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We booked in. We locked in like that.
So how much were they?
$84 each. Which, this may sound bad, but these niggas raised the fucking price to like the sky high. Yeah, come in the vlog.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Ziana. I got sushi. And we're gonna go to Wonderland.
First time trying rainbow sushi.
Let's see.
That's not edible.
I know it's not.
Bro. So this is the security. Before entering the park, you have to go through this shit. The main park's over there. And yeah, man, we're about to go in. Yo, we're about to hop on this. What's this called?
This is called... Fuck, you put me on the spot. I don't know.
Riptide.
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 Yeah.
And it's right next to the Leviathan.
I don't think about
Plus the line's like shorter, so we're gonna go in it first. Oh, Gus, it's over, bro. Bro, what
This is the
fuck?
first ride going on for the day.
Bro, look at this.
Now listen, wait. Compare the first ride of the day to Portaventura.
The first one, and the first one we took.
Yes, compared to this, Canada's Wonderland.
Bro, this one beats it by a mile. It's filming.
Jackson, did your mom give you a debit card or whatever? Okay. That's this one? Huh? I'll pay for your lunch.
It's cool as fuck.
Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no.
What is that? Oh, what is that?
Yo, you can take a touch if you want to. It's alright. You can take a touch. Nigga. What's it?
Oh, James. Oh, wait.
Hey, okay.
One.
Last shot?
Nicely done.
I only scored two.
Nicely done.
One more. Alright, one more. I got
Let me get a prize.
you were late, sir, me.
Luciano. Jose.
Alright, Gus.
Alright, it's my turn.
It's Gus's turn. Gus, how many goals do you think you're gonna score?
I'm scoring on 7. What do you mean? It's not even a question. It's going to be a question.
Let's go, girls. Bro, the balls are flat, I'm telling you.
Yo, I don't know how I'm going to score. I really don't know how to score.
I swear to God, these kids are gonna shut you up.
Brother! I can't score.
Hey, on the 7. Last shot, you got this, bro.
Oh my God.
Everyone's making
Oh my God, look how much hiding. Oh my God.
It recorded? I have it on my phone. It was recording and then it just went black. So I don't know if it died.
No, it's good, it's good. It's still recording. So good. Gus. Review from the ride. That shit was so scary. Alright, we have finished this one. And we're right now in the Leviathan. This is it. We're going on this.
It is the tallest roller coaster in Canada. Hi, are you okay?
There they go. Let's see it.
Damn, where this goes? Dude, it does not slow down at all.
Bro, I told you.
Try to get the back.
Damn. It goes and goes and goes. Alright guys, once again I wasn't able to record, but like we have a moment of the...
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you so ready for this?
Go.
Look at his face.
This is Gus. Sayana.
Ziana.
Ali.
Yeah, you butchered that, but alright.
So yeah man.
Okay.
Where are we right now?
We're in the play zone of Leviathan.
It's nice, but like I don't have money for this right now. Alright guys, this is the next ride. I think it's called Nightmares or something. What's it called?
Nightmares, you know what I'm saying?
So yeah, we're about to go in. For your information.
So Yukon Striker is the only roller coaster with a 90-degree drop. So it's completely straight and you hang literally like this for 60 seconds and then it drops straight down. Straight down.
Which is the ride that we're going after this, right?
Yes, we're going on Yukon Striker next.
Yeah, bro. It goes. This is it, guys. Where? No way, bro. What the fuck? Because we're about to go on this one. Goes all the way up.
So I'm not, but then that's next.
Then Yukon Striker. Beast.
I'm gonna see that drop.
90-degree drop.
Crazy.